Welcome. If you wanna change theme on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, for the first you have to enter the settings, and right now enter the themes, click on agree, and as you can see there's a couple of themes that you can just set up on your smartphone, and probably I will take maybe this one, and now we can click here to download for free, and now it is downloading, and now we can just click to apply. Now we have to wait, and right now, as you can see, our device has changed the theme. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.